Okay, I think I'm visible now. Yes. Okay, now in this session, I'm going to discuss about the third unit of MMPM-6, that is identifying and defining research problems. Okay, so how we can identify and define the research problem. So that's what we are going to discuss here. So in first topic, it is given decision area. Okay, so marketing environment analysis leads to marketing strategy. Then that marketing strategy leads to marketing implementation, and marketing implementation lead to sales. Or here it is given low sales or high sales. That is the symptom. So and in the same way here, just if you go, so let's check something which I can highlight. Okay, there we have the option of to draw. Okay, we're not giving the option, no issue, we can continue with this. So decision area, so in which way we can find out the problem for the marketing research. So we are going to discuss here. So research problem here given, the research of defining research problems begin. So the process of defining, that was my mistake. So the process of defining the research problems begins with the formulation of research objectives. Okay, the first thing is that we have to formulate the research objective. Then the second step is, in order to define the problem situation, some exploratory research may be done prior to formulating a more detailed problem statement. A marketing research must convert the problem of the decision maker into research objectives that are clear, concise, attainable, measurable, and quantifiable. So, converting a decision problem to a marketing research problem area. So, now we move on here, point one by one. Interactive methods. Okay, how we can convert the decision problem to a research problem. So the first way, it is given interactive method used if a decision maker is unable to state the problem clearly. Then in that case, interactive method can be used to define the problem for the marketing research. Second, decision tree approach. The second approach, decision tree approach, are diagram that represents the main events that introduce uncertainty as well as possible outcomes of all those decisions and events. Decision trees should start with the basic questions and then break it down to specifics. So conceptualization is given a process where an issue is understood by breaking down the concept into variables such as that the relationship between them is identified. And conceptualization may take two forms. So what are these two forms? So the first, it is given applying an existing concept, and the second given here, okay, second it is given developing a new concept. Okay, first it is the applying an existing concept, and the second it is given developing a new concept. That is all about the conceptualization. This way we can identify and define the research problems. So that's all.